Mario, I quit. You always get all of the fame when we do our missions. Whenever we say Princess Peach, she always kisses you and never me. I'm Luigi. I'm tall. It's just no fun anymore. I quit.
Don't quit, brother. We need you.
Fine. But no.
Let's test your skills. Let's have a face-off, just for fun, eh?
Okay.
Let's go. Mario, what are you power?
What are you doing?
Mario!
Mario!
Get out of the way! Go! My jumping skills! Stand up, brother!
No, Mario!
Get on your knees!
No!
Luigi, get up!
You killed me.
Mario power! Luigi, sorry I killed you. I think I killed you. That's okay.
Goodbye, Mario. I quit.
Luigi.